Alright, Marian. You know what you're going to do? You're going to deal with you're going to deal with yourself. Alright. You're always had enough of you because you were being mean to myself. Alright. You really don't like myself, do ya? Yes, Daryl. Yeah. Alright. Don't even think about what you did. You know what? I'm leaving. I'm going with my friends. Goodbye. Goodbye, Marian. I'm going with my friends. Stay here. Sorry, guys. It wasn't... Sorry, guys. Not you. Not all of you. You're joining fun, guys. Yeah. Thanks, Daryl. You're welcome. Yeah. I hope you better lot. Yeah. We'd like a spare time.